Ma'am, can I have the number for 211?
Okay, you have called 211. So which 211 number are you looking for?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, so what is it you need help with?
I can't divide.
You need help with dividing?
Yeah, I'm terrible at it.
Have you tried tutoring?
Nah, Mom and Dad too poor for tutoring.
Are you in school right now?
I guess, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god! I'm still recording you and you just made a weird face.